back to Mossongland Farm. Today I wanted to do a quick video on how to cook our very favorite squash, Delicata. And they're really easy to cook, in fact, in the microwave. If you haven't already yet, please subscribe to our channel. We are trying to share things that bring us joy, and we can really only do that with your help. If you subscribe, you can help us spread that same joy with everybody. This squash is the best squash in our humble opinion. Once it's cooked, it has this really amazing fine texture. There's no coarseness, there's no stringiness, and it's actually sweet. Sometimes you'll get a Delicata squash that actually doesn't need butter, it doesn't need brown sugar, it can just be eaten, point blank as is. It's that good. They're that good of a squash. They're a little more rare. They're not as common at the supermarket. So how to look for them? You want to be looking for a squash that is kind of yellow here, and then it usually will have a green stripe, or sometimes it'll be yellow or a little bit more orange. I have one here that has a little bit more of an orange stripe there throughout. And so this is generally what they look like. They can come really small, they can be a little bit bigger. Regardless, they are consistently very, very good. We seek them out, and this year we were blessed enough to be able to grow them on our farm. So these are all actually from the garden, and we're so excited to eat them and really proud of the harvest here. So let's get right to it. I want to share with you how to cook it in the microwave. So if you're on the go, you don't have a lot of time, you don't want to fire up the oven, you can literally pop it in the microwave. All right, so we just took this out of the microwave and it's glistening. It is really hot. It looks delicious. It smells delicious. So what I'm gonna do, either I'll let it cool, or for the purpose of this video, I'm just gonna go ahead and use my fork to hold it in place and then just cut down the middle. Looking good. Looks very good. So you want to scoop out all the seeds in the middle, just like any squash. Nice and warm, so it'll definitely melt. I'm going to put some more in here. And so on. It is oh so good. I like to put a little bit of salt. And then really just, it's all very thin along the skin, so you can just scoop in and enjoy. This video was helpful. There is an easier way to make squash that isn't hard, and this hands down is the best squash you can ever have. So I hope you found this video helpful. Please do subscribe and enjoy.